guys. Come right out, use the bathroom. Hey there, hey there. And yes, we still got 4 left. Ready for their show home today. They hit 8 weeks.
Yeah, today.
8 weeks today. They already been worrying, up to date on their shots. ABR paperwork. I don't think I want to throw you in there. Splash. Land. Land. You get out of there, y'all. Gotta land your water feel like to get in when it's hot. That's something that you got to drive to get out. Yeah. Now he gonna get back in. Come on, you better show that you can get out. Show some little enthusiasm. Yeah.